Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style simple fish fry. It's a delicious recipe from Kerala. We just need only 10 minutes to make this yummy recipe. Let's move to the video. For the grinded mixture, in a grinder jar take 8 shallots, 5 garlics, 1 inch size ginger cut into small pieces. We can also add the masalas. Add 1.5 tablespoon Kasmiri Red Chilli Powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Fennel Powder, a pinch of Asafoetida Powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, add 1/4 cup of water and grind it nicely into a paste form. Now transfer it into a bowl and add 450 grams of cleaned fish cut into pieces like this. You can use any fish to make this masala fish fry recipe. Coat them well. Keep them marinated for at least 30 minutes. If you have enough time and keeping it for more than 30 minutes, it gives more taste. But if you are keeping more than 30 minutes, keep them refrigerated. Marinating for 2 hours will give best result. After 30 minutes, we can take the marinated fish for frying. In a pan, take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add marinated fish for frying. Fry until it turns light golden brown color on medium flame. It takes around 4 minutes to get it done. After 4 minutes, flip the side and fry another 4 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our Kerala style simple fish fry is ready. It's a delicious recipe from Kerala. We just need only 10 minutes to make this yummy recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.